Well, assuming you are locked out of your device, do you know how to reset a Samsung phone? When locked, just watch on, as the following is tailored to address this issue. Way 1. How to factory reset Samsung phone when locked with a high success rate. My Samsung phone is currently locked, and I am unable to unlock it. There are numerous Samsung unlocking tools available, but Android Lock Wiper is particularly noteworthy. Step 1. After installing the Android Lock Wiper on your computer, choose Standard Mode. For the majority of Samsung devices, select Remove Without Data Loss. On the next screen, click the Start. Step 2. Identify the name and model of your device. Click Start again, and confirm your phone information before selecting Confirm to continue. Step 3. The application will commence downloading the data package tailored for your device. Once the download is complete, click Next. Step 4. Connect your Galaxy device to the computer using a USB cable. Then, adhere to the provided instructions to enter download mode. Once your device is in this mode, click Start to unlock. Step 5. The product will initiate the process of removing the screen lock and resetting your device. After a short wait, you will be able to access your Galaxy phone without any restrictions. Way 2. How to do a factory reset on Samsung if it's locked via recovery mode. Power off or drain battery. Connect to PC. Home. Press volume up, home, side. With power, press volume up, Bixby, power. With home, press volume up, home, power. Select Wipe Data. Confirm and then Ain't System. Way 3. How to unlock factory reset Samsung with SmartThing Find. Go to SmartThing's Find, sign in, and select your device. Click Erase Data and verify your identity via code or another method. Confirm the wipe by clicking Erase. You may need to verify with the code sent to your Samsung phone. Way 4. How to factory reset Samsung phone without unlocking via Find My Device. Go to https://www.google.com/android/find and sign in with your Google account. Select your Galaxy phone, click Erase Device in the sidebar, then click Erase to confirm. Way 5. How to force Samsung to reset when locked via Forgot Pattern or Password Limited. Enter a wrong passcode 5 times, then tap Forgot Pattern or Forgot Password. Select Enter Google account details, enter your Gmail info, and Google will email the unlock pattern. Change it on the screen.